It is Sunday afternoon and I am making fire again while sitting outside and enjoying a original castle lager. What does it say there? South Africa's national beer from 1895. So this is a very old beer. And then they tell us where everything is grown. Delicious. My kids made a fort. It's raining softly outside. And of course we love playing in the rain. Hey world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. I'm extremely sorry I did not get to make a video today. We had the in-laws here, we had a nice bride, it was wonderful. At this stage it's raining nice and softly, and I'm starting to make fire again. For no reason, just to sit next to the fire. That always makes me happy. And then on my previous video, I had a comment that said that, well, people like this knife. The only thing is the shininess. And I must quite agree, I'm not into shiny knives. I think the only knife I have that has a super mirror polish on it is one of my Geo knives that I got from the Knife Beater. So yes, let's see if we can remedy that and then call it a video. Oh, another quick update. I got this medallion. It's about cerebral palsy, but it's a thick metal. So I'm going to try to make this round and make it like a challenge coin at some stage. And we have like a olden day knife that we have to look at. We still have to look at this thing, and then we still have to look at the Jador knife, and there's a couple of knives lying around here that we still have to do. Oh, and then the very special one that my wife bought me for Christmas, that only arrived like a week ago, actually Friday. Anyway, so we'll talk about all of that. But for now, I just want to quickly show you this. Okay, when I have to put a patina on a knife, what I like to do is the following. Yes, cut potatoes. No, not really. You stab the knife into a potato or around a potato. Okay, but now I need to stab this one also. Get this stabbed. Okay, so if we do it like this, one potato, two potato. And then I want some potato on the back also, because this thing is also super shiny. There we go. Potatoes. Okay, so we stab it. Ow, that's the blade side. Okay. Yes, we stab it into some potatoes. Let's get it to cover it with all the potato love. Okay, this is way more difficult now that I'm stacking potatoes. Ah, come on, potato-ness. Okay, so we stab it and stack it and whatever, just get some potato everywhere. Why is this so much hassle now? Okay, anyway, so we get some potato everywhere. And then you pretty much wait. Give it a little time for a potato to do its potatoey magic. And it will give you a wonderful, soft patina. This is 1075, so it should not be a problem. And then when you're done, this sounds weird, but you can still use all of these parts of the potato. Just bury them, I don't know, what's that? Centimeter under the ground, and water them regularly, and you will grow new potatoes. So it's not as if you are really, I don't know, wasting potatoes. Okay, so I'm gonna have Blue watch it, and I am going to enjoy the rest of my delicious castle lager. if I didn't show you that clip, it will follow now. Me making beer, making fire and drinking beer, and my kids living in a painted, what do you call that thing? Sheet tent in the light rain. And then enjoy the rest of your Sunday afternoon, whatever you have left of your weekend. Next weekend, long weekend, so then we can do lots of knife stuff. Stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.